Hello, this is joystick 22. I finally finished ROS package for the ros2orpjoy bot. Link is in the description soon. And I want to show you what I did a little bit. I added some comments and what functions, like how to write and drive. And yeah, I can drive. But I do recommend first try just the normal C++ or Joy project, then try it in Rust. But the good news is you can use the nodes and codes also with other motors and robots if you wanted to. So that is no problem. That's all I want to say. It's not perfect, but yeah, it can drive. That's all. Bye.